Hello everyone, this is Crytex Tech here. So I have here the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and I'm going to tell you how to customize your Android phone using your own way. And you can see the first thing you can do is put a skin on it, as I have put on the back. It really changes the look of the phone and you will really like it, as there is a notch at the top and I have a lot of apps installed here. Let's go to the settings and see the software information in here. So you can see here I'm running on One UI 4.1 with Android 12 on top of it. Let's start by turning on the developer option. You can do that by tapping the build number 7 times and you will see under about the phones here you can change the animation, transition and window scale to 0.5x, which will make your device feel a bit faster, as the animation in here are a bit fluid and fast. Now that you have done that, let's start with Nova Launcher. It is one of the best launcher for customization. I have here the Nova 7 Prime, which is relatively cheap considering you're getting the one lifetime deal. The link for each and every app or widget will be given in the description below. The first best thing that you can do is change the icon pack. Press and hold the home button. Under the look and feel, go to the icon style. Here you can select any icon pack you want. I like the Pixel icon pack and I'm mostly a fan of stock Android on Pixel phones. So I have here the Splendid icon pack, but if you have some of your favorite apps going on, you can customize them according to your liking. Just hold the app whose icon you want to change. Let's say Instagram. You can download any image you want and select that as your own unique icon. This is going to be your own custom icon. See, you can pick any picture from your gallery and set that as your icon. I'm not going to do that as I have already set Instagram picture. You can see in the Nova settings, there are many settings such as home screen size. You can change the transition effect and the search bar placement according to you. As you can see in the transition effect, there are plenty of options to choose from. You can go through all of these by yourself. And the search bar placement according to you. Now if you're like me and install too many apps on your phone, it's better to make a folder in the app drawer. I have many folders going on in the Nova launcher, and you can tap the plus icon and let's say apps for now. Then select the apps that you want on this folder. That will help you organize your apps a bit more. You can select whichever app you want and set that as a folder. You can see there are many folders for me going on in this phone. You can select multiple apps for the folders. That way you can organize your phone according to your liking. And finally, you can even keep the gestures on the home screen like me. I have kept the 2 fingers swipe down to open YouTube and swipe up to open YouTube Music, and double tap home screen for Google Assistant. You can set them in the Nova settings under the gestures and input. You can see there's swipe up, swipe down, double tap, swipe up, and many more gestures like this. Now as you can see in the theme here, I am a fan of stock Android, so I have here the Google feed on the left. You can get this by installing the Google Companion for Nova Launcher. Link for all of these will be in the description below. You can also install KWGT widget, which is one of the best with the Nova Launcher. This will help to make your own custom widget. You can select the one that are already created by KWGT, or you can create your own Also, you can download different KWGT themes for the widget. Going to the Coves KWGT, this is one of the widget app wherein many pre-installed widgets are available for KWGT. You can select any of these and set it as default. As you can see there, I have installed many KWGT pack. There is base pack in the KWGT as well. Many of the widgets are available here. Also, there's OnePlus Pro KWGT widget, wherein you can find the OnePlus widgets. These are quite unique to the OnePlus phones, but you can get it on any phone. Really like this calendar widget as well. You can see the custom made widget here, and to the right I have here the Samsung notes going on. You can also see the whole calendar to the right, where everything is well organized, and there is mail at the end. Also, there is a calendar KWGT widget over here along with the Google and home screen icons for quick access. Secondly, if you have an Android phone with AMOLED display, you can set a dark wallpaper, as I have set here. Backdrop, S10 Plus wallpapers and few others to get a wide range of wallpapers, and they keep their wallpapers updated regularly. You can see in the S10 Plus wallpapers, there are many AMOLED wallpapers going on for AMOLED screen. I really like this Iron Man wallpaper as well. Backdrop is one of my favorite apps. You will find really great wallpapers in here. If you have a Samsung phone, you can get this great app called AOD Notify, where you can change your notification light, and if you have always on your phone, you can keep the light for better customization, where it glows for every notification. It is mostly free, but you can pay price if you want few more features in it. Just give access to everything over here. Then select the app that you want to activate the notification light for. Then you can choose how you want the light effect. You can see it glows for every notification. It's one of the best app for notification light, and you can see you can customize this according to your liking. It seems pretty cool, right? If you have Android 10 or lower and you want to get the Android 12 gestures, or if you just want to change your phone's navigation buttons or gestures, you can use the fluid nav bar gestures. It gives a lot more functionality. You can put the gestures anywhere on the screen, but I personally prefer buttons or gestures as they are fast to use compared to the gestures. You can basically customize your navigation bar according to your liking. You can see there are more customizations going on here, and I can switch between apps, swiping right, swiping up and swiping down. This seems really fast as well, as you can see. You can also disable the navigation bar, but you have to change certain settings for that, and also tweak some command on your PC. Now this only applies to a Samsung phone, as you can check the good lock option in here, which you can download in the Samsung store. Coming to the quick start, you style your own panel. Just select whichever color you like or select a default theme. you will have to download the theme pack, which I will talk about it later. You can change the theme for the quick panel as you can see here, and there are many pre-built themes as well. You can select any of these according to your color. The neon green seems cool as well. Navbar is one of the best module in here. Just add a new config, just press the add button and customize according to your likes. Yes, you can see I have kept one screenshot option in it and one to lock the screen. You can even change your task view from a boring old one and select a new one from the home up option. There are many options to choose from and you will never be bored as there are so many of them. You can also change the home screen grid and the app screen grid. You can see the task changer has so many good options in it, and I personally find the vertical one really great, as I'm sticking with that one for now. Routines is one of the best apps to automate your phone, and there are many ones available here. I have few routines going on here which you can customize according to you. There are few routines available on Google as well. There are many people customizing them. You can just copy them to your phone. You will also need theme park for changing the phone theme. You can also change the keyboard theme here. It is connected to the quick start. You can change the quick panel as you can see. You can change the keyboard theme here, quick panel. Just tap to edit and you can change the color of any of these. Going back, I have some preloaded themes here as well. If you want to create a new one, just tap create new and select whichever colors you want. This is for the light mode and the dark mode. Also, this is an external thing, but you can also put a skin on it and you can drastically change your phone's look. If you want to customize your button, you can do so using BX actions, which will help in changing the functionality and give a different character to your phone. That's all for today's video, and do comment if you have found something new to customize in your phone today. Take care and see you later. Thanks.